Hey, let me out too. I want
Let's
to
go down.
Yeah, that's Bubba. I know. She sees it now.
She's had to grab it.
You better run to the other side. And the mouse is the idiot. It's just sitting. Oh boy, she's about to strike too. Come here, Graceland. She won't knock the cage over there.
No. No.
Ooh.
The rats are actually relatively smart.
They're just sitting there. Why is it just sitting there? Oh, he's watching the little face.
The little mice that I was feeding her would walk right up to her head.
Looks like it's about to strike.
Yep, she is.
Why don't you run to the other side of the box? No, step back. Watch, though. He's gonna get it.
It's a she.
Oh, she's gonna get it. There no down. Ooh, about to get it, boy. Oh.
Hey, watch it.
Ooh, and the mouse is just sitting right there in front of the face.
Yep.
Not even doing nothing. What an idiot.
Watch us eat.
You know, it's not gonna eat you. It eats rats. No.
Oh.
Oh. He got it. He got it. Oh my God! Did you see how fast that was?
It was quick, ain't it?
That's a rat. The rat's a snake food.
It's a rat. Rats are nasty anyway.
The one she ate last week was still kicking and twitching for about 3 minutes.
Oh, see, it's suffocating it. So you can swallow it.
Oh my God, put that stinky bucket away from me.
Alright, good. Your mouth's not in a bad spot.
Oh, I just found something. It ain't dead yet.
No, it ain't dead yet, buddy.
Well, that's the first time you've seen that, huh?
I got it. My daddy's giving me money. Daddy, whistle.